Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at this Billfold materials pack, talk about what the pieces are that comes with it, how we're going to take these pieces, make that into a finished Billfold project, and most importantly, why you're going to want to start with one of these material packs. First off, you're going to save time and money. That's the two big things that this materials pack is going to do for you. A lot of people have limited time in the workshop. You're only going to be able to work on leather so much each day. Why waste your time cutting out all your parts, transferring patterns, trying to trim edges, make sure everything's exact. Next, skiving. These are pre-skived packs, so these interior pockets, they're going to have to skive those edges down to that way they fit down really nice and thin. You don't get extra bulk. Don't fight skiving those or waste your time on that when you start with the materials pack here. Money, we're going to save money. If you want to build a nice wallet out of Hermann oak leather but aren't ready to buy a full side of Hermann oak leather, do that. Instead of spending $250, $300 on a side of leather, you can get your pack, have all these pieces, you know it's good leather, and you're ready to go with them. So let's look at how this goes together. Another advantage is accuracy. These pieces are cut to fit, so they're going to go together really nice, and you're not going to have to fight that. But we have these inside pockets here. There's 4 of those inside pockets. There's different shapes. There's 2 of them that are kind of cut funny at the corners. It's because those slide down underneath this outside pocket. So we have that outside pocket, that one's inside there, right? One on each side. Now those are going to go down to this hidden pocket right here. That's what these larger rectangle pieces are for here. So we're going to look at like that. I'm going to stitch across the bottom. That one's going to go on. We're going to stitch across those inside. Now that's ready to install onto your bill pocket. Now what's the bill pocket? Of these 3 larger pieces, you have 2 of them are larger than one, right? One's just a little bit shorter. That's so when everything folds together, you have a nice wallet that lays flat. If they're the same size, they're going to get bunched up and not want to lay flat in there. Also, when that opens up nice and easy to be able to fit bills down in. So we're going to take that shorter one, that's that bill pocket. These are going to now go onto there, right, on each side. And you'll cut that notch later on in your construction. These last 2 pieces, this is what's going to be your outer shell. You'll notice that's finished leather on the inside and outside. It's because these 2 pieces here are going to glue together, and that creates that outer shell. Now this is all 3/4 ounce leather, so it's nice thin leather, making things lay flat, be a nice slim wallet in your pocket there. And you might think, man, well, I really wanted a tooled leather wallet. Don't worry, we can actually tool that. When you put those together, you've created the thickness of about a 6 ounce piece of leather there. You're glued down, you have all those fibers holding together. It's not going to stretch on you. So this is the same materials pack that has been tooled all the way through. Now this is part of the Leather Life classroom, so if you do want to watch step by step all the way through this entire project, tooling step by step, get that pattern, and walk with me through the construction process there, you can check out the Leather Life classroom. We'll link that up in the description as well. But these material packs, they're ready to go. They're going to save you a ton of time. But a few of the main things, so you don't fight it, it's obviously not going to all glue together and be able to just stitch flat around there, right? So we're going to have to get one side of this stitched, and then it kind of folds up to where that other one will glue, and then you stitch around that other side. So that's just kind of one of the necessities in building a billfold wallet there. But again, if you have questions about that and want to dive in deeper and follow me through step by step on a build, check out the Leather Life Classroom. Otherwise, enjoy your leather work, enjoy these material packs, and I can't wait to see what you're able to do with them, whether you're doing this as a hobby, giving away nice gifts, or if you're running a business and want to increase that bottom line. These are going to really save the time that you got going in there. The other nice thing about this is there's no waste. You know you're buying the leather that you need. You don't have a ton of scrap to deal with afterwards. So enjoy. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.